My name is Sascha Wacker, Sales Manager for Dean Solutions Europe. As a sales manager, I'm in charge for whole Europe. We have a sales team. We are working very close to our dealers, our partners, and we are going together to our customers to deliver the perfect solutions. As you know, Dean Solutions is the fastest growing machine tool company worldwide. We are facing a new generation of manufacturing era. So with this, we are building up a high stock to really guarantee for our customers, for our partners, to have the complete solution. We have turnkey solutions, machines, automation, from A to Z, additive manufacturing. We really want to go with our customers, with our partners together. We are Dean Solutions. We want to provide everything. This is a great experience we're having right now on this event. We are hosting many events, not just in Germany. We have a local footprint. We have great dealers, great partners, and for each sector in Europe, each market is different. And for this, it is really great to have our partner network with the local knowledge, local people to know the market, to know the customer voice. This is key.
So we are working now since 1987 with DN Solutions. We are one of the oldest dealers in Europe, and for us it is very helpful to have a wide range with our partnership. And we have a really good price-performance ratio. And what is really cool that DN Solutions did a lot of innovation in the last 15 years, and that helps a lot on the market.
Because you know, we are one team. We are a dealer since 1988. We sell DN Solution machine tools in the Netherlands, and our focus is to give the best support towards our customer. The demand of my customer is full product support. They have less people, so they rely more on us, and I have to provide them this service. So that's the main topic, and with that I need good suppliers, and DN is in our case the best. They understand, are open-minded, and they invest a lot towards the future. So, you know, we are growing in our area, we're doing a better job, and that's because of them. It's the collaboration together.
The machines, systems, automation systems we are developing, we develop for the customers. We want to face these challenges together. Machine operators, key these days. So we are really, really proud to have our machines with easy entrance, easy usage from A to Z, and we provide a solution. What makes DN Solutions special are for sure the machines, everyone knows. But what is really important are the people behind. As everyone can feel, we are dynamic, we have a great teamwork here. We are working close to our partners and customers. Everyone feels how much spirit we have. We really are going forward. We have power, we have energy. We take our customers with us to this journey, and I just love it.